Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and staying at home and staying safe. So today I'm gonna be creating this look as you can see on your screens. So मैंने Instagram में एक story post किया था and उसमें मैंने पूछा था कि I want some suggestions that what makeup tutorial I should make or you guys wanna see. So one of my follower requested me to create a look which is no makeup sort of look and more like a work from home sort of look. As we all aware of the current situation, we all guys are doing work from home, so there are times when we get video calls. I have created this look using minimalistic products. You will require only 5 to 10 minutes to create this look, not more than that, believe me. If you want to know how I have created this look, then please continue watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So very first, I'm gonna take a quick little shower with this juniper berry face mist. So this face mist is a balancing face mist and it doesn't have any sort of parabens, sulfates, and it's a cruelty free as well. So I'm gonna let this mist absorb into my skin first. When you are doing a very minimalistic makeup or a no makeup sort of look, the important thing which you need to keep in your mind is that you need to prep your skin very nicely because we are not going to use many products. तो जो लेयरिंग होगी प्रोडक्ट्स की वो हमारे फेस में कम होगी और हमारे जो कंसर्न एरियाज है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही दिक्कत आएंगे. तो अगर हम अपने स्किन को अच्छे से प्रेप करेंगे तो ये सारे जो प्रॉब्लम्स है वो इतने हाईलाइट नहीं होंगे. नाउ आई एम गोना अप्लाई मॉइस्चराइजर एंड आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग गुड वाइब्स Havanna mango age defining face cream. I'm just gonna dab this onto my skin and with that I'm gonna give a good massage. Now I'm gonna wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'm gonna go with concealer. I'm gonna conceal my under eye area because these dark circles are very prominent. So I'm gonna go with L.A Color Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. So I'm taking this shade Pure Beige because this shade is darker than my skin tone and this will conceal my these bad boys really very well. तो आप हमेशा ध्यान रखें, अगर आपको अपने डार्क सर्कल्स को कैंसिल आउट करना है तो आप अपने स्किन के शेड से डार्क शेड का आप कंसीलर लीजिए और उससे आप अपने डार्क सर्कल्स जो है और दूसरे प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरिया है उसे कंसील करिए. अगर आप लाइटर शेड यूज़ करेंगे कंसीलर का अपने डार्क सर्कल्स को हाइड करने के लिए तो वो बाद में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट लगेगा और जो आपके अंडर आई एरिया है वो ऐशी दिखेगी, ग्रे दिखेगी. बहुत से लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं कि हमारे जो अंडर आई है वहाँ पे कंसीलर लगाने के बाद वो ग्रे लगता है. दैट इज़ बिकॉज कि आप जो है वो लाइट शेड का कंसीलर जो है आप अपने अंडर आई में लगा रहे हैं. लाइट शेड का कंसीलर इज़ हाईलाइटिंग कंसीलर, वो हाईलाइट करने के काम आता है, ना कि डार्क सर्कल्स या दूसरे प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरिया को कंसील करने के काम आता है. सो ऑलवेज यूज़ darker shade concealer when you want to conceal your under eye area. Now I'm gonna blend this with small beauty blender. So you can clearly see the difference. This is looking more lifted and this is looking dull. So my dark circles are now concealed. Now I'm gonna conceal my other problematic area and I'm gonna blend that with my finger. Now all my problematic areas are concealed. I'm gonna set my under eye area first because under eye area जो है वो बहुत जल्दी crease होने लगता है, इसलिए मैं सबसे पहले अपने under eye area को powder से set करूँगी. So I'm gonna be using this StudioWest Compact powder. So we are not using any sort of foundation. So just to give an even tone to my whole face, I'm gonna set my entire face as well. So if you're working from home and you get an important video call, maybe you want your face to look quite structured, so you can even contour. I love contouring because I have, you know, such a huge jawline from here. I don't know, I feel so. Maybe you guys don't feel that, but I do feel that. So that's why I'm gonna contour. You can even skip this step, it's on you. So I'm just gonna take L.A Colors Bronzer. I'm gonna contour hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, jawline area, nose. That's it. And I'm also gonna contour my eye as well, just to give some depth. I'm also gonna apply this shade onto my lower lash line as well. And now I'm gonna provide some flush of colors to my cheeks, and for that I'm gonna be using this tint. I'm gonna apply this onto my cheeks. I'm also gonna apply this onto my eyelid area as well. And of course, I'm gonna apply this onto my lips as well. After drying down, this will look much better. This will look like you have applied some kind of lip balm, or this is your natural lips. If you want to go with nude color, you can go with that. So I am pretty much liking this look. And now I'm gonna fill my brows. I'm not gonna make my eyebrows very defined because we are doing work from home, or we are doing very minimalistic makeup. So I'm gonna be using this mascara by L.A Colors. I'm just gonna comb my brows with that, and that too very light-handedly. Now I'm gonna go with my highlighter, and for that I'm gonna be using Freedom highlighter. This is very subtle highlighter, that's why I'm going with this highlighter today. I'm gonna highlight highest points of my face, that is cheekbones, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, chin, forehead, brow bone, inner corners of my eyes, as well as Cupid's bow. I'm gonna use L.A Colors liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply very thin wing eyeliner. So you can skip eyeliner and you can even apply eyeliner, it's on you. I'm applying thin eyeliner because my eyes are very small, and after applying thin eyeliner my eye looks quite a big. So when you are doing a video call or something of that sort, I will look quite a big. So that's why I'm doing this. Now I'm gonna apply a bit of kajal onto my eyes as well. I'm applying big ample of my eyeliner by NY Bay. I'm gonna apply good coats of mascara onto my eyelashes. I'm applying Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara onto my lashes. So with that, our look is complete. I hope you find this video really very helpful, and if you did so, then please give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can check the details of the products which I have used in this video in the description box below. If you have any suggestion, just let me know. You can DM me on Instagram. If you're not following me over there, just go and follow, and you can even comment down below. I would love to know that. With that, it's a wrap. I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy, and spread happiness.